okay, I'm okay, I don't really gotta say. It's okay, you can have it any way. Anyway, you can have it anyway. Anyway. Hey, it's okay, I'm okay. I'm in the first place. It's okay, I'm okay. It's okay, I'm okay. I don't really gotta say. It's okay, you can have it anyway. Anyway, you can have it anyway. Anyway, let's go. I don't want anybody gonna take it. 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 Artisha, do you want more? Let's go. Let's go. Say are you serious? I try but I can fake you. I've been missing you all night and still don't know what you're. If you talking but not much coming at you. Don't you tell that I want you. So I want myself. I'm looking for help. Just call me up. So sure of yourself. Maybe don't get pretty. Let's just run away. Get away. You say I'm just curious. Is this a real one? Let me hear you scream! But it's more like that. This is so crazy that you know you got that effect. Listen, let me share. Wow! Woo! Ang init po, no? Hello, everyone! Woo! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Ay, kamusta po? Feeling ko kasi mga Inglesero na sila dito, be. English. Should we speak in English or Tagalog po? Or Ilocano? Ilocano ba dito? Ayan. Dahil kami po ay magkakapatid from Isabela. Santiago, Isabela. Sino ba yung mga Ilocano dito? Ayan, Ilocano at Ibanag, of course.
Dapat kayo amin.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. We are so happy to be here today po sa Artesia. Thank you so much po sa napapakapakan niyo naman po sila. Thank you so much for having us, especially po kay Ma'am Janelle. So thank you for trusting us po. And before we sing our next song, gusto niyo po muna isa?
Of course.
Tawagin natin yung mga nasa booth. Nood po muna kayo. Mamaya na po yung work.
Pero before that, syempre siguro nagtatanong na sila who's the eldest, the youngest. So maybe we can introduce ourselves muna individually.
Yes.
Di ba
Yes.
po?
If you're asking, we are truly biological sisters. Magkakamukha naman po, mukhang quadruplets po, no? Kasi nag-abot-abot na sa height. But, of course, let's introduce ourselves individually. Hello, Artesia! Hey. Come on, Los Angeles, you can do better than that. Hello, Artesia!
That's what I'm talking about. Charot. No, I'm the eldest. Ako po ang panganay sa aming apat. Tama po ba yung hula nyo? Yes, sa pagkakamalan po akong bunso because I'm the cutest. Charot. Ako po ang panganay. My name is Almira. Hello po!
Ayan, hello everyone! My name is Irene and I'm the second naman po.
the swagger of the group. May ganon.
And then Beyonce! Nandito si Beyonce, di ba? And then Mylene! At ako po ang pangatlo. Kamusta po kayong lahat?
Yes, hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako naman po si Selena and I'm the youngest. And again, we are
Fourth Impact!
Alright. Actually, thank you so much. Sir Scott, and thank you.
Thank you so much.
Actually, some of our dreamers are here today. Thank you so much for coming.
Shout out to Dreamers.
Thank you so much.
Mga tatlo po sila dyan. Joke lang,
Anyways,
joke lang.
before we sing our next song, gusto lang po namin, Kuya, gusto lang po namin i-share sa inyo na 2 years ago, we decided to move here to the US to chase our bigger dreams po. It's the biggest decision of our lives, but you know, even if there's challenges and it's so hard, kasi po ang mahal po dito. Everything is so expensive! My God!
Lahat ay ting mamimili kami. Ang nanay namin mamimili sa Ross. She always converted. Stupid, it's so expensive. So, yes, 2 years ago, we've made a biggest decision of our lives to move here, to chase our bigger dreams. Feeling namin mga David po kami dito dahil lahat sila ang tatangkad. Ganda.
Lagi tayong hinihinga na
Naniniwala po ba kayo doon that when you want something but God is planning bigger than you want? Amen? So yun po yung nangyari sa aming magkakapatid, and we are just so grateful that you guys are there to believe in our talent and you have invited us here. So thank you so much po.
Thank you so much. This is actually like, we're starting from scratch again dito po sa US. Pero dahil meron nga po kami, we have big dreams na sinasabi, talagang nagsusumika po kami magkakapatid. So this is a big achievement po na ma-invite today sa inyo pong event.
Pero napanood niyo po ba kami sa X Factor UK? Ay, napanood pa natin na tayo.
Of course, sa dami ba naman ng Pinoy na bumoto po sa amin noon. Maraming salamat.
Alright.
So, after UK, Philippines, and now USA.
Wow! Yes, thank you.
Okay, so for this next song po, this is one of our parang theme song na po ng buhay namin. It's like a theme song because we feel like this 10th year as a Fourth Impact, it's time for us to defy gravity and to just believe in ourselves and our talent. So, this is for all of you. Our musical director is here! Troy Loretta!
Something has changed within you. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time.
po ba yun?
And do you want more?
Actually, just as I mentioned earlier, our musical director is here, and we are so honored because since we got here po, it's our almost third year here in the US na nakikipagsapalaran, and we are so happy and so excited to tell you po that we're gonna have our first major concert here in Los Angeles. This coming August 29 po sa Aratani Theater.
Sana po makapunta po kayong lahat.
It's gonna be our 10th year anniversary since the X Factor. So sana po, masuportahan niyo po kami mga kakapatid. And we actually brought some tickets with us.
Yes,
So,
sana po ay support
Para wala na
natin
po kayong kawala.
And it's also our first time to have a live band. So thank you so much to our musical director, Troy Loretta. Give it up, man!
Give it up! And we are also...
Sobrang blessed kami that umoo siya sa atin. That's her dream talaga. And sana po you support us in Tagalog. Parang awa niyo na ho.
Yung pala yung Tagalog na doon.
Mamaya po kung gusto niyo po sa amin magpa-picture.
You know what? We're kind of nervous. It feels like we're in the American land already, and we have to like really speak in English. And you
Wow.
guys are so quiet that you guys look so expensive. So you know, share some love, make some noise. Alam niyo, pag nanonood kami ng mga concert dito, yun lang po yung naririnig namin. So ginaya ko lang, make some noise. Diba? LA. But maraming salamat po to Ma'am Janelle So. If you haven't watched our interview, you can watch it in our So Janelle YouTube. That's where we shared our journey, our story. Kasi baka pag kwento pa namin dito lahat, umabot tayo bukas. But we just wanna shout out, ang papa po namin is first time here in America, and that's our papa over there. Papa! Papa!
And he is from Pangasinan.
Yes. Ayun, mga pangganong sila, sir.
Yes, so... Mag-shoutout din tayo kay si Tito Jerry.
Tito Jerry's in the house. Tito
Tito
Jerry, our producer. Gina
Ma'am
Bayona
Faye.
Productions.
Yes,
Thank you po for
Maraming
trusting and believing in us.
Yes. And that's our mama over there. Palakpakan niyo po ang mama namin. Mama, say hi. Yes. Pinapakilala lang po namin sa kanila po kayo bibili ng ticket, mama.
Hanapin niyo po sila.
Yes, kung gusto niyo po magpa-picture mamaya,
Yes.
pwede
Do you
po.
wanna party?
Yes!
We wanna see you dance?
Yes.
And of course, wala bago ko makalimutan. Our guest performance or our guest artists on our concert is Kuya Garth also. Si Kuya Garth is here.
Garcia.
And
Philippines King of R&B,
Kuya JR.
JR.
So, marami pa po kayong makikita. Ito pong performance namin ay snippet pa lang po. So, abangan niyo po ang concert namin sa August 29 kasi 10th year anniversary. So, lahat po ibubuhos na namin.
Yes, but bago tayo mag-party, gusto po namin i-share sa inyo one of our original songs. Last year, we just released our mini album with 5 original songs na nirecord po namin sa LA.
Parang gusto ko ayusin tong no-OC ang part. Kaya sige.
Yes.
And yes, this was considered by Grammy Awards po last year. So, this is Round and Round!
Let's go. It's for all of you.
Now we feel held, hit the tip, show off them hips and give them a spin.
songs. It's called Round and Round, and sana po
Stream it and all
follow
digital
niyo po kami sa
platforms.
natin social media accounts.
And we have a good news po, because soon, we are, Selena, gonna be releasing
New single! So abangan niyo po yan. Magkakaroon po kami ng bagong song. So watch out and follow us on all our social media accounts. Fourth Impact. You can tag us if you have videos and pictures. So
Yes.
thank you.
Alright, ready na po ba kayo mag-party? Parang hindi pa ready.
Oh, parang mahina. In a right. Yes, so stadium, diba? In a right, let me hear ya! Yun na ba yung best nyo? Come on, give it all. Let me hear ya!
Ayan, meron naman pala.
Oo nga, kasi kanina pa sila dito. So thank you so much po for staying.
For waiting for us.
Pero before we sing our last song, gusto ko lang pong sabihin na sana supportahan niyo po kami magkakapatid kasi honestly po, we are in the verge of giving up.
Pero lang iyak.
Kasi po, siguro po kung alam niyo po from X Factor, and then kung napanood niyo po yung interview namin with Miss Janelle, so sinabi po namin doon na mismanage po kami magkakapatid. So ngayon po, it's only our mom who's managing us. And we're just so thankful to GF Bayona Productions for their trust po sa aming magkakapatid. So if you ever that you will join us on our 10th year anniversary, magiging malaking tulong po yan sa aming magkakapatid sa aming pong new journey dito po sa US. Maraming salamat po.
Parang maalala mo kaya yan.
Parang paiyak na si Irene.
Ayan,
Sabi ko
okay.
pa naman, you wanna party?
Sorry.
Sorry na nga eh.
No, I guess ang hirap po pala dito sa US kasi po talagang ikaw yung magbubuhat, magka-car wash,
Independent talaga.
talagang independent.
Eh, pasensya na po, medyo na late kasi
Is,
kaming dalawa po yung nag-drive kanina.
It's life.
Our driver.
Diba? Maraming salamat kay Lord kasi hindi niya tayo
And
pinapabayaan.
sabi nga natin sa interview kay Ma'am Janelso na hindi lang tayo na culture shock dito, na English shock din tayo, di ba?
Yeah, English shock.
Bakit lahat po dito ng Amerikano, rapper sila?
Para sila na
Parang rapper.
Okay, so
Bakit mo nasabing rapper? Parang,
One time po kasi nag-drive-through ako sa In-N-Out. Okay. As a driver. Tapos yung sabi, what do you like for your drinks? Sabi ko, Mountain Dew.
ang yapang-yapa, Mountain Dew
Give
sabi
me
niya.
some Mountain Dew.
Sorry, what is it?
What? Sabi ganon. Mountain Dew.
Can you repeat that for me, please?
Mountain Dew, the green one.
Oh, you mean Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew, ganun pala. So sabi ko, I changed my mind, just give me Coke, please.
So after that, ano na lagi may in-order?
After po nun, di ko na favorite sa Mountain Dew, kalimutan na yan. Coke na lang tayo. Para mas
Mountain Dew.
Para mas madaling maintindihan mo.
Alright! I guess ready na mag-party lahat?
Yes.
Diba?
Pwede po ba for having us again? Once again, we're Fourth Impact and thank you for showing your love for us. So ngayon, we want you guys to stand up to your feet. Stand up on your feet and
Can we all
dance with us. Shout out to Paul who's here.
Eto naman po. Eto na. Masasabayan niyo na po kami dito kasi Tagalog to eh.
Yes, this is OPM VST medley. Let's go!
If you want to dance, you can dance. Yes, yes.
You can use the dance floor. Let's go!
Happy Filipino Mega Friendship Day!
Iba ang sarap sa pag-ibig natin. Sana ay pinawagwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay huwag na magkalimutan. Pangako ko naman na Fiero